How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, I suggest you go check that out real quick. But other than that, let's get right into the video. 4 stocks that belong in the $1 trillion club. Well, as you guys can see, the Apple's actually passed the $1 trillion market cap a month ago. And look at that, it's already at 1,100,000,000,000. That's insane. And as all you guys know, Amazon's almost at $1 trillion. It's basically, maybe in the next month they'll probably hit it. So we're gonna disregard Amazon as being one of the top 4. I'm gonna go more into the other ones that still have a ways to go. So the first one on our list is actually Google. Google has a market cap of around 850 billion. And I'm not sure how correct this is because Robinhood usually messes up on these numbers, or it's not accurate. So let's just say it's at around 850 billion. So it needs about $150 billion more to get into that range of $1 trillion. The stock is actually super expensive, as you can see here. It's at a PE ratio of 52, and it has a forward PE of around 26. As you can see, for the year for the Google stock, it's done pretty nice at basically 30% for the past year, and for the past 5 years, it's been 100%, 115%, which is really nice. Revenue growth is nice at 20% plus. I'd say if margins rebound and revenue growth stays above 20%, then earnings growth could potentially hit the 20 to 30% range. Over the next few quarters, Google stock should benefit from earnings growth. And for the next one we have here is Microsoft. Microsoft is basically at 860 billion market cap with a PE ratio of 53. It also is trading at a 26 forward PE. Let's look at the graph real quick. And for the past year, it's up 53%, which is awesome. And for the past 5 years, up 300%, which is insane. What Microsoft needs essentially is earnings growth and healthy multiple expansions. This stock is trading at a 26 forward PE, which I just said. And the revenue growth isn't that big right now, which was at 70% from last year. But it has been accelerating for the past few quarters because of the cloud growth. If the growth acceleration continues, it'll be because of the growth in the cloud business. And the next one we have here is Facebook. Facebook is basically at a $500 billion market cap with a 27 PE ratio. And let's check out the graph real quick. As you can see, for the past year, it's only been up basically 2% since right here, which was up 24%. And what happened with the company's privacy issues and regulation concerns. And let's look at the 5-year graph real quick. And for the past 5 years, even though with this this pretty big dip right here, it's still up 320%, which is great. Even though Facebook isn't really doing good right now, in the grand scheme of things, this is just a small bump in the road. After all, even though Facebook owns 4 of the top 6 social media apps in the world. So as long as ad dollars keep flowing in from the digital channel, it'll most likely find its way into Facebook since it owns so much of what's popping right now. Facebook needs another 500 billion to get to that 1 trillion, which it still has a long ways to go to become a $1 trillion company. And last one we have here on our list is Alibaba. It has a market cap of 450 billion and a PE ratio of 50. This one also has a long way to go to get to the $1 trillion market cap. Let's look at the graph real quick. For the past year, it's also up only 1.77%. Very volatile. And for the past 5 years, 88%, which is pretty decent. As well as Facebook, this stock is also under huge pressure because of the war tensions between the United States and China. Or not the war tensions, the trade war tensions, my bad. But basically, Alibaba is essentially the Chinese Amazon. It operates China's biggest e-commerce business, has a huge cloud business. Alibaba operates on a much higher profit margin, unlike Amazon, and its forward PE is basically right about 30. So just a simple 60 forward multiple would get Alibaba to the near $1 trillion valuation, just like that. Over the next several quarters and years, Alibaba should benefit from both earnings growth and drastic multiple expansion. And those are the top 4 stocks that belong in the $1 trillion club, and some might get there faster than the others, but essentially if they keep executing correctly, they should be able to get to that $1 trillion market cap, right alongside with Apple and soon to come Amazon. If you guys want to read the article which I got this information from, I will leave a link to it down in the description. And if you guys are interested in the stock market news and trading and stuff like that and want to learn, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and please leave a like. And other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.